All right, so today I've got the secret for you. The big secret about real estate that your stockbroker does not want you to know. My name is Matt Theriault, by the way. I am the CEO of Epic Real Estate. And what we do here is we show people how to invest in real estate with an emphasis on retiring early. So I come from a family that has had a terrible experience, like just terrible luck with real estate. They've lost a lot of money. And perhaps maybe you have too, or for certain, you probably know somebody who has. And I think that's kind of where the moniker that real estate is risky really comes from. But is it the real estate that's risky? No, absolutely not. Real estate is the safest investment with the highest rewards, and I'm gonna tell you why. So, real estate, really safe. There's just two things you have to really focus on to protect yourself. The first is to be able to determine value, to make sure that you don't overpay. And then the second thing is, why are you actually investing? If you invest with a focus on income, you get those two things right. You get the right value and you invest for income, it's really tough to lose. The second place is the people. If I look back and analyze every single situation where I lost money in real estate, it either came from a bad property manager or a bad contractor. It's the people that insert the risk. So this is how we've combated to where we can have the best of both worlds. We can have the safe investment with high-performing people. So one, the real estate is safe. Two, the people are risky. The third thing of how we've been able to eliminate the risk from our real estate investing is we've built systems. We've put systems in place around attracting the leads, systems around taking those leads and converting them to contracts, and systems around taking those contracts and producing a profit. We've built systems so that the people themselves are interchangeable. So we don't have to focus so much on the people anymore, so they don't have the risk that we once had. And that's exactly what we do for our clients. We have taken the systems that we have created, we have just copied and pasted them into our clients' business, and then we go and we customize it for them, we customize it for their company, and we customize it for their market so that they can go and duplicate the same results that we've had here at Epic Real Estate. And if you like the idea of that and you want to look into possibly our team doing that work for you, I've put together a small little video of exactly how that works. There's no opting in, there's nothing tricky or fancy like that. Just go take a look over at reiace.com. I'll put a link down below for your convenience. And if you like what you see, you'll have the opportunity to pick a time for us to hop on a call. We'll brainstorm some ideas to see how this can work for you. Alrighty, so click the link below and I'll see you next time.